Ever feel like your inbox is running you instead of the other way around? Today, I'm going to show you how to take control by creating rules in Outlook, a powerful feature that automates actions like moving, flagging, or forwarding emails, saving you time and stress. First, open your web browser and go to the Outlook login page. If you're using Microsoft 365, it's easy to access from the main website. Click Sign In and enter your email and password. Logging in securely ensures only you can manage your settings. Once you're inside Outlook, you'll see your inbox. Head to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open the settings menu. From there, select Mail. This takes you to the hub for all your email preferences, including layout, message formats, and importantly, rules. Now, look for rules and click it. This is where the magic happens. Hit Add New Rule to start creating a system that works for you. First, give your rule a name, something descriptive so you'll recognize it later. Then, define the conditions. Do you want emails from a specific sender to a certain folder? Or maybe flag emails with certain keywords? You decide. Next, set the action. You can move emails to a folder, mark them with a color, or even forward them automatically. These actions automate your inbox management and keep your day running smoothly. Before saving, double check everything to make sure it's exactly how you want it. When you're ready, click Save, and just like that, you've created a rule that organizes your emails automatically. You can always go back to edit or add new rules as your needs change. Streamlining your inbox has never been easier. Start creating rules today and watch your Outlook work smarter for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.